last night. Play as hard as we can. All right? Our best. We give our best. That'll be plenty good enough. Let's go win this game. Make history. Let's go.
Here we go. Last chance. What are you going to do? Cooper Rush will throw it in the air and look for a whole lot of help. Ball is caught.
Oh, no!
To the 15. It's lateral again. Is that still alive? That's Titus Davis. Can he turn the corner?
With Davis before, he's going to run the little draw action. Here comes Zerlon Tipton's got some room. He's going to get back to the original line of scrimmage. Still going 30, 35, 40. Up to midfield, still on his feet. 40, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10. Touchdown, Zerlon Tipton. Are you kidding me?
And that's what I was talking about right there, Donnie. Running angry.
Comes into the end zone. Knocks away. Touchdown. By Brian Pruitt.
Slant, he's off to the races. 30, 40, midfield, he could go all the way. 40, NIU 30, NIU 20, 10. Touchdown, Titus Davis, as he goes 92 yards on a slant. Running to come back and get him now. Second down, 9. Backside is going to get a blitz coming in from that side with Cesar Rodriguez. Touchdown pass. And the Chippewas are back in this ball game down 13.
That's a safety. He's going to call for a touchdown.
Fight Central down the field. Fight for victory. Fight fellows, never yield. We're with you, O varsity.
Last time throws it downfield. It's intercepted. Kayvon Frazier has it at the CMU 40 midfield, and he's going to go down at the Ohio 47. So Kayvon Frazier with another pick for the Chippewas.
Down the field for CMU. Varsity, rock, rock, victory, rock, rock. Chippewa, we're proud of our nickname. Hear our song, loud and strong. Central is going to win this game. Come on and fight Central down the field. Fight for victory. Fight fellows, never yield. We're with you, O varsity, and it is onward with banners bold. To our colors will be true. Like for maroon and gold. Down the field for CMU. For
Cooper Rush back to throw it for CMU. Steps up in the box. He's going to lob it deep towards the end zone. And it's caught. A lateral back. Chippewa still on the move. 5. Corey Willis looking for the end zone for CMU. And he's into the end zone.
You gotta be.
Touchdown, Central Michigan.
Game over, CMU.